Is COBRA credible coverage for Medicare Part B? Imagine you're leaving a job and thinking about your health coverage options. You might have heard about COBRA and wonder how it fits with Medicare. Well, let's clear that up today. When you leave an employer and choose COBRA, you get to keep your health insurance for up to 36 months. But does that mean it counts as credible coverage for Medicare Part B? The answer is no. Credible coverage means your insurance is considered as good as Medicare Part B, so you can delay enrolling without penalties. But COBRA is not classified as credible coverage. The reason is that your former employer no longer pays part of the premium. You pay the full cost plus an administrative fee. This makes COBRA different from other types of insurance that might be considered creditable. If you do not enroll in Medicare Part B when you are first eligible, and you have COBRA instead, you risk paying a late enrollment penalty. This penalty is 10% added to your Part B premium for each full year you delay enrolling. The penalty lasts as long as you have Medicare Part B, so it's very important to enroll promptly once your COBRA coverage ends or when you become eligible for Medicare. When you sign up for Medicare Part B, your COBRA coverage usually ends. This is because Medicare generally takes precedence over employer-based coverage. If your spouse or dependents are on COBRA, they can keep their coverage for up to 36 months, no matter what. But remember, COBRA might offer benefits Medicare does not, like dental or vision, but it is often more expensive than Medicare supplement plans. For those working past age 65 with employer coverage, you can delay Medicare Part B without penalty if your coverage is creditable. But if your employer coverage ends and you switch to COBRA, you should enroll in Part B quickly. Waiting too long can lead to gaps in coverage and penalties, since COBRA does not count as credible coverage. There is ongoing talk about changing the rules so COBRA would be considered credible coverage for Medicare Part B, but as of now, the rules stay the same. So, if you are relying on COBRA after leaving work, plan to enroll in Medicare Part B as soon as possible. That way, you avoid penalties and keep your health coverage smooth.